By 2030, millions of jobs may vanish and AI could be the reason. Is your job safe, or will you be replaced? This isn't science fiction anymore. It's happening right now, faster than anyone expected. The question is, are you prepared? Everywhere you look, artificial intelligence is quietly reshaping our world. From the United States and the UK to countries all across Europe and Asia, companies are racing to automate. We're already seeing this in industries like customer service, where chatbots are becoming the first point of contact. In transportation, self-driving technology is no longer just a dream. Even highly skilled fields like legal and healthcare are feeling the pressure. But the real shock isn't that this is happening, it's how fast the change is accelerating. The jobs that seemed secure just a few years ago are now on the front lines of this technological revolution. What was once a distant possibility is now an immediate reality, and it's knocking on everyone's door. Are you ready for what's coming? Stick around, because what I'm about to reveal might just change how you see your future. The truth is, the AI takeover is already here, and most people haven't even noticed. Let's get specific. Which jobs are on the chopping block right now? Think about any role that involves repetitive, predictable tasks. Routine office work is a prime target. Jobs like data entry, administrative assistants, and clerical staff are being automated at an incredible rate. Why pay a human to manually enter data when an AI can do it thousands of times faster with zero errors? It's a simple business decision. Customer support is another area undergoing a massive shift. Those call centers staffed with hundreds of people, they're being replaced by sophisticated chatbots that can handle thousands of customer queries simultaneously, 24/7, without ever needing a coffee break. Transportation is next. Self-driving trucks and taxis are already being tested on public roads. The economic incentive to replace human drivers is enormous, promising to cut costs and increase efficiency for logistics companies. But it's not just blue-collar or entry-level jobs. Here's a shocker for you. One AI system has already replaced 250 lawyers in a single company. It reviewed legal documents in seconds, a task that would have taken the human team weeks. You're already interacting with this new reality every day. When you order food through an app, you're using an AI-driven system. When you deposit a check with your banking app, that's AI reading the handwriting. It's seamless, it's convenient, and it's slowly making human roles redundant. The revolution isn't coming. It's already in your pocket. Now, it's easy to get caught up in the fear, but let's look at both sides of the coin. The benefits of AI are undeniable. For consumers, it means faster, more personalized service. Think about getting an instant loan approval or a medical diagnosis in minutes instead of days. For businesses, AI drives down costs, boosts productivity, and opens doors to brand new products and services we can't even imagine yet. It creates opportunities for innovation and growth on a scale we've never seen before. But with these benefits come significant risks. The most obvious one is mass unemployment. As machines take over routine tasks, what happens to the millions of people who currently perform them? This leads to a widening skills gap, where there's a huge demand for AI specialists, but a surplus of workers with outdated skills. This could create massive economic inequality, splitting society into those who can work with AI and those who are replaced by it. And here's the second shocking reveal for you. Some experts predict that as much as 40% of current jobs could be automated and potentially disappear by 2030. That's less than a decade away. This isn't just about a few industries. It's a fundamental shift in the entire global economy. The sense of urgency is real. If you don't adapt, you risk being left behind. This isn't just doom and gloom though. It's also a wake-up call. The future belongs to those who are willing to learn, adapt, and embrace this new era of intelligence. The choice is yours. Will you be a victim of this change, or will you be one of the architects of the future? So, how does this AI revolution affect you, personally? It doesn't matter if you're a student just starting out, a seasoned professional in the middle of your career, or an entrepreneur looking for the next big thing. AI will fundamentally change your life. For students currently in school, the message is clear. The skills that were valuable a decade ago might be obsolete by the time you graduate. You need to focus on creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence, the things machines can't easily replicate. You need to learn how to work alongside AI, not compete against it. For workers already in the workforce, the challenge is reskilling. You can't afford to stand still. You have to become a lifelong learner, constantly updating your abilities to stay relevant. This might mean taking online courses, getting certifications in new technologies, or even making a complete career change. For entrepreneurs, this is a golden age of opportunity. AI is creating entirely new markets. You could build a business that uses AI to solve problems in healthcare, making diagnoses faster and more accurate. You could create AI-powered educational tools that provide personalized learning for every student. In finance, AI is already used for fraud detection and algorithmic trading. Whether you're a student planning your future, a worker securing your career, or a business owner chasing a vision, AI isn't just a buzzword, it's the single most powerful force that will shape your daily life and your opportunities for the next decade and beyond. The future isn't just coming, you have to actively build your place in it. We've talked about jobs, the economy, and skills, but now, we need to address the most profound and unsettling part of this entire revolution. This is a final, shocking twist. AI won't just replace jobs, it's already starting to make critical decisions about human lives, often without us even knowing. Think about it. Companies are now using AI to scan resumes and filter job candidates. An algorithm could decide whether you get an interview based on keywords and data points you don't even understand. Your career path could be determined by a machine before a human ever sees your name. In healthcare, AI is being used for medical diagnoses. An algorithm might analyze your X-ray and recommend a course of treatment. While this could save lives, what happens if the AI makes a mistake? Who is responsible? The doctor, the programmer, the hospital? It gets even more serious. AI is now being tested in justice systems to predict the likelihood of a defendant reacting. An algorithm could influence a judge's decision on bail or sentencing. Your freedom could literally depend on a machine's calculation. The AI is making decisions about our jobs, our health, and our liberty. This goes far beyond just replacing a data entry clerk. This is about handing over human judgment to autonomous systems. The question is no longer just, will a robot take my job? It's now, will a robot decide my fate? If this video opened your eyes to the reality of our AI future, hit that like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. What job do you think is most at risk? Let's get a conversation going. And make sure you subscribe to Tech Myst and turn on notifications, because the next video will reveal even bigger secrets about your future. We're going to tackle the ultimate question: what happens when AI becomes smarter than humans? You don't want to miss it. Thanks for watching.